Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to propagate desert rose or Adenium Obesum. So this plant has been with me for about 2 years now, since 2021. I just wanted them to develop new stems. So you can see they have already small leaf and nodes. I cut them, so here you just need to dry the stems. After cutting them, I use tissue. This would ensure that there will be less possibility of having infection. So after 7 days, I put them in the water. You look. So this one is actually already after 3 weeks. So every Sunday, I make it a point to check my plants. As you can see, there are already nodes and also small leaves forming, and the stems are not dry anymore. It's green and it's showing that it's already absorbing the water. Tada, new sign of life, right? So this is just very easy. You just need to wash them every 7 days. So there you need to check the end of the stem for any sign of infection or rotting, and then you just need to clean them very gently. So desert roses are very good plants with very amazing flowers. They actually come in different colors. So there, it's very easy really to propagate it. So you just wash it and leave it in a bottle of water. Maybe after 4 weeks or 1 month. So you see, this one is after 3 weeks. There, the leaves are already visible, and I think maybe 1 or 2 weeks more I will be planting them to the soil already. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. Hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also watch out for more videos. I'll be creating some more too. Again, thank you. Take care of yourself always. Keep the environment clean and green, and you always have a nice day. Thank you.